My name's Aaron Davis. I own Train Adapt Evolve. Work with, well, mostly my title is sports performance coach and sports performance consultant. Work with a variety of different athletes, ranging from kind of the mom and pops that come in to professional athletes. We do everything from nutrition, blood work, DNA, physiological assessments, as well as training and everything else. So very broad. The last 2 days here has been good. Been able to learn a lot, especially on some of more like the specific ways to utilize PEMF, and how we probably can use it for certain cases back home. I think the technology is great. We're still trying to figure it out in the sense of what it does to each individual. Everybody has a different response, and so our job right now is to take it and test it out and see what we can do with it and what the reactions are from the physiological side of things, and then from there we can hopefully build upon that and hopefully collect a lot of good data, and hopefully drive some changes in the technology.